Okay, so giving you the room tour. So we have booked the ocean facing spa room. So this is the entry. So this was the gate. It's the entry. Then here is the L-shaped balcony. This is the open area we have here. So it will remain open here. Then this is the balcony. The L-shaped is complete open. Here we have the spa pool, and you can see the view from here. So this, and you have this spa relaxing bags, and this is the entry to the room. So I will just go into the room from the inside balcony. You can see the resort view here. In the meantime, this is entry to the room. So this is the bed area. The front is the balcony. So it's the television set. From the entry I will just show. This is my wife checking out everything. So now from the front side the room looks like this. Now going inside, and it's from the back of the bed. So this will be the room to which we will walk up. This is the study desk. Then here we have the cupboard. It's the water, coffee maker, everything is here. Then it's the mini bar. In the mini bar we have 2 water bottles, beer, 4 beer, and cold drink, and Evian water if you are feeling too much heavy, so you can have that. Cupboard we have, okay, and it has automated light also. Very pretty big cupboard it is. Here we have all these amenities, and we have the slippers also here. Now from here it's the WC, it's the washroom. Okay, that's the unique thing I've seen here, that it's a very small. It's the WC area, and okay, it's a sliding door. It's the washroom. So bathroom is entirely different from WC area, so you can see that here. And it's the bathtub. You can open this. So this bathtub will connect it to your room. And you can open this also. So it's a complete, very big, very big room we have. So now I will show you how after opening it looks like this. So here is your bedding, here is your bathtub. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye bye.